So the quadruped twist, we're on hands and knees. You're going to take, say, the supportive hand, the right hand out a little wider, and if you're able to, the left arm and the hand is going to bend up, and you're placing the back of the palm on the lower back. You can go higher if your shoulder allows. The idea here is to twist. You can let the shoulder, left arm, left shoulder drop, and then lead with the elbow. Push that left elbow up, the shoulder will follow. Push down with the supportive arm and turn the head up. Slowly come back to center. Elbow can drop a little bit. Pushing down with that supportive arm, that right arm. Left elbow lifts up, shoulder lifts up, follow with the head. And that movement and that twist will occur through the spine. Again, that supportive arm, try to keep the elbow locked. That will keep you steady. Left elbow, shoulder, head looks up. You'll start to feel it through the spinal column as well as the muscles up and around. Release that hand down and try the other side. I'll face forward. This time, my other hand is going to rest on the lower back. Supportive hand on the floor. Knees can be wide apart. Pushing down through that supportive arm. Elbow, shoulder, and my head look up. Drop that shoulder down. Elbow, shoulder, head. Drop it down. You're twisting through the spine. Keeping that supportive arm, that grounded arm straight, the elbows locked. Shoulder drops down, and then as you lift that elbow and shoulder up, the spine twists. Adjust as you need. Maybe the knees need to be further apart just for your balance. Sometimes the hand might need to be more central between the knees, or maybe you prefer it out to the side. Quadruped twist.